Use this ancestral trick and you will never fail in life again. There are people who struggle in life. To succeed, others bitter and jealous, but people put their energy to destroy them. Some are struggling to build, but do not complete the construction work because of these jealous people, who use every mystical means to block them. So if you find yourself in this situation, here's what will help you finish your housework. Please just look for oyster shell, and you bury one shell in every corner of the house under construction. After doing this, you will be able to complete the construction of your house. Please subscribe for more tips and share to help others. Natural Powers Global.
Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Great to see #Natural Powers Global.